Today we're going to be looking at the lengths of line segments on graphs and areas on straight line graphs. To find the distance between 2 points, notice that we can draw a right angled triangle. Find the distance across and up. We can then use Pythagoras to find the missing side. This is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so the distance of the line will be 5. If we add another point to make a triangle, we can find the area of the shape between the points. We can use the formula for the area of the triangle, so it would be half times 4 times 3, which will give us 6. Let's have a go at these questions. To find the length between these two coordinates, we need to first of all find our x1, y1 and x2, y2 values. We can then use this formula, which is basically Pythagoras, to find the length. Substitute the values in, and we find that the length is 18.4 to 3 significant figures. Notice that there's no units, because there's no units given to us in the question, because it's on a graph. To find point A, we can substitute the first equation into the second equation, since x and y values will be the same at point A. Y equals 5x, so we can rewrite the second equation using 5x instead of y. 5 times 5x is 25x, and then 25x plus 3x is 28x, and divide both sides by 28, we find x equals a half. We can then use the first equation, y equals 5x, to substitute this half in, which will be 5 times a half, which will be 2.5. So our coordinates will be 0.5 and 2.5 for point A. To find an area of a triangle, we need to find the base and the height. Looking at the height, O is the origin, and B is on the x-axis, so they both have a y-coordinate of 0. The height of the triangle will therefore be the y-coordinate of A, which will be 2.5. To find the width, or the base, we need to find the horizontal distance between the origin and point B, which will be the x-coordinate of point B. We know that y will equal 0 for B, because it's on the x-axis, so substitute y equals 0 into the equation. 5 times 0 is 0, so it's 3x equals 14. Divide both sides by 3 and you get x equals 4 2/3. The area of the triangle is half times base times height. So we substitute in our base and we substitute in our height, and we find that the area is 5 5/6. Let's finish with this. John finds the area of a triangle under the x-axis is minus 20. Discuss if this answer could be correct. If you think you know, let me know in the comments. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description, where you can access all of our free A-level papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.